How to make it better, to stronger more than.
So this is a quick video. I recently went to the UAL trip and it was brilliant. Yeah, met some really nice people, connected, met someone from my teacher training days. I haven't seen her in years, bumped into her. Yeah, food was good. Yeah, food was good. There was artists. There was a brilliant illustrator there named, what's her name? Amanda Anderson, that's it. Illustrator, brilliant. Live illustrator she was doing. And she was doing all these, live illustrations as the host was talking. And it was brilliant. And yeah, I got to speak to her after she finished. And I saw a website, brilliant website. I'll put the link below. And yeah, if you ever want to illustrate, highly recommend it. Highly recommend. And then we had lunch. Lunch was good. There was a whole array of options. There was no seats, but I think that was the whole idea. You take a little pot and then you circulate to network. It's all about networking. And they had these Blendology devices where you tap the person who you want to connect with. So networking. Met some people from City of Westminster College. I think they're from City and Westminster College. Yeah, they were really nice. And they were from the media department as well. So we got along well. And the speakers, there was another one called Kimmy DJ. No, she wasn't a DJ. Kimmy Beatbox. Yeah, she energized us. In the afternoon, half of us were nodding off. But I think UAL, they should have started with Kimmy Beatbox right at the beginning, and they should have had someone else in the afternoon as well to wake us up from lunch. The speakers there, they had keynote speakers there. They were pretty good as well. And yeah, all in all, it was a very eventful day. I met another artist. She was from, where was she from? She was from Kent somewhere, Kent, Gillingham. And she works with young people as well in the creative department. And she is a photographer, artist, using dodge and burn tools in Photoshop. That was her specialty, I think. Great event for UAL. So huge thank you to UAL for organizing that event. I went with my media department, and we had a great time. So I'd love to go next year as well, and see more people and attend more talks and events. That's it for today, and it was a pleasure going there. Bye for now. Take care.